And now the former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh, who faces money laundering allegations, has been sent to 14 days judicial custody. This after the Enforcement Directorate's request to a Mumbai court to extend his custody with them for interrogation was denied by the court. Following this, the court ordered that Mr. Deshmukh be sent to judicial instead of the investigating agency's custody. Let's go across to Arvind Gunasekar for more on this. So, Arvind, what exactly does this mean? What does this mean for bail? And what were the EDs? Based on what was the ED requesting for more custody?
Sarah, in a big setback to the Enforcement Directorate, the Mumbai court has refused to send Anil Deshmukh for further ED custody on the money laundering case that the agency has registered. The Enforcement Directorate on Monday had arrested Anil Deshmukh, and after which he was sent to 6 days of custody. After the completion of 6 days of custody, today the Enforcement Directorate produced Anil Deshmukh before the Mumbai court, where the Enforcement Directorate had alleged, saying that Anil Deshmukh was not cooperating with the investigation. In fact, he was giving only evasive replies to all the questions that the agency posed. And also, according to the agency, they have unearthed around 27 shell companies that have been beneficiary, that have been owned by Anil Deshmukh and also his family members, through which this particular tainted money got laundered. So this was the main allegation on which the Enforcement Directorate acted against Anil Deshmukh, and they said that they need further time to confront Anil Deshmukh with all this evidence that the agency has collected throughout their investigation. And also, they also said that they have also summoned few other people. They wanted further time to confront all those people with Anil Deshmukh. This was the ground on which the Enforcement Directorate had sought for 9 days of further custody. But after hearing both the side arguments, the court has refused the request of the Enforcement Directorate for further custody of Anil Deshmukh, and thereby the court has sent him to 14 days of judicial custody. That is, from ED's custody, Anil Deshmukh has been sent to the Mumbai jail. So what we are hearing is that very soon Anil Deshmukh's side will file an bail plea before the court, because Anil Deshmukh has been sent to judicial custody now. But also what we are hearing from our sources that the Enforcement Directorate will be challenging this particular order of refusal of further custody in the higher courts, because they want further custody of Anil Deshmukh to crack this particular case.
All right, Arvind Gunasekar reporting from the national capital. Thank you for that update.